Welcome to the Advanced Stock Market Investing Guide. Follow this step-by-step beginner's trading guide to learn how to trade penny stocks, bonds, options, Forex, and shares to become a stock trader today. Written by Neil Sharp. Narrated by Brian Housewert. Introduction. Congratulations on purchasing the Advanced Stock Market Investing Guide. Follow this step-by-step beginner's trading guide for learning how to trade penny stocks, bonds, options, Forex, and shares to become a stock trader today. Great care was taken in ensuring that the information contained herein is not only useful but relevant. The following pages contain a trove of actionable information and advice which the average individual can put into practice in order to become a stock trader. Since this is rather an extensive topic, the contents of each chapter have been boiled down to their essence. This means there is no fluff, just the good stuff. Also, great care has been taken to ensure that the concepts described throughout this book are explained in a clear, plain language that is devoid of complicated business jargon. As such, this book isn't about sounding smart. It's about actually being smart. I am sure that you have chosen this book because you are interested in finding out how you can make more money than you are today. And there's nothing wrong with that. In fact, I commend your desire to earn a better living and provide a higher quality of life for your loved ones. The main objective of this book is to provide you with a guide filled with relevant information that will allow you to become a stock trader and actually make money. If you're looking for practice examples of how financial markets work, then you've come to the right place. Each chapter covers one fundamental area of stock trading. First, we will take a look at the importance of investing and how you can make money in financial markets by choosing your investments wisely. Then, we will have an in-depth discussion of the different investment vehicles available to you. This means that you will learn how these investments work, the pitfalls that come with them, and how you can make money. Next, we will look into day trading. This is a key chapter since it will enable you to get a good sense of what it takes to become a stock trader. Through analysis and insight, you will be able to make up your mind and decide if day trading is for you. If you feel that day trading isn't your thing, there are also 2 chapters based on investment strategies that you can implement without actually getting your hands dirty. These strategies are meant to put your money to work without taking up too much of your time. Also, we will discuss how legislation and taxes can play a role in your investment strategy. In particular, we will have an in-depth discussion on how reckless investment practices led to the financial crisis of 2008. Finally, we will go over the lives of some of the most famous investors in history. The stories of these individuals are meant to inspire you, but also provide you with role models that you can emulate. These are not flamboyant traders like you've seen in Hollywood movies. These are ordinary folks that made it big through hard work and savvy investments. So what are you waiting for? Let's jump right in and learn how to become a stock trader today. Chapter 1. The importance of investing. Money doesn't grow on trees. Have you ever heard that expression? I'm sure you have. And it's true. Nevertheless, money does grow, just in a different sense. Most folks obtain money through their jobs. When a person gets a job, they are compensated for the work they do. Whatever the work that is done, the person receives a sum of money in exchange. That money is then used to acquire the goods and services needed in order to live. Some folks manage to save some of their earnings at the end of the month. Some break even, and some are in the hole. This cycle of working for money ties the earnings of an individual to their work. So the more they work, the more they earn, at least in theory. Some folks choose to go through life working, paying their taxes, and perhaps collecting
Sample complete. Ready to continue?